All right, good morning and welcome to Silver TV here on YouTube. And I'll pay so yedi shemu yedi insamno Abram ya sure say obibia hoye. Now there's this quick conversation so that I need your opinion on that conversation. It has to do with Steve Mukwala. On say you know him say season berry Mukwala contract with Asante Kotoko berry. And that's why I end it. Now, I know Namanfu Bisa say the conversation on one important WhatsApp group that I also want to bring it out for everybody to also drop their comment here. Say, should Asante Kotoko consider selling Mukwala this particular January? And now Kotoko Mukwala both season in we and even if he ain't me renew the contract, because I'm as a free agent. The ultimate option here is that Kotoko renew the contract no atwaso. But when you are given the options of these two, Manimbo Nko as a free agent and now Tony January, as a fan of Kotoko, which one do you think say SM for taking action? Now, which of the options should the leadership of Asante Kotoko select? And that is a conversation, a heated one, we all know that the ideal situation is renewing the contract, but if that is not possible, which of the two should the IMC consider? My name is Over the Champion. Let's go straight to the stories. First story. Me catch him say dear we see Taylor will not play for Kotoko. Me catch him say my sources catch him say dear we see Taylor chances of joining Kotoko are less than 40%. And I told you say Midiama is leading the race. And then Midiama confirm say Oma sign dear we see Taylor. Yasem na me catch him na people are saying dear we see dear say no. Kotoko new race. I said that and people were also saying, hey, say Obed, you don't be that emphatic. I was like, yes, meaning baby I'm a free bar. And I mean me pana or can't say me chere. Say Kotoko any race confirmed dear we see Taylor I joining Midiama. Yantuaso. On say Midiama are still in for a striker. Apart from signing dear we see Taylor, Amugu super strikers. The reason is that, and this story, because I didn't know Midiama story, about the Kotoko so. The reason is that Midiama believes that Jonathan Soa or Metono, and until I Kotoko, the end of Soa, Baba Kotoko, Midiama for an seminum catch him, say Kotoko, Bahum, but Omba, and Yadom the name Kotoko, Momakoko Bedia, the name Club B. So they know that Soa. Days at Midiama is numbered. And untino and a dear we see and one other player Kotoko any dear chili. And dear Messe Kotoko any dear chili. Midiama for the omo ajin. I'll come to that story. But Enra, there were a lot of issues. Also, YouTube, you can turn off comments. Our video be intimate comment. I don't do that. I'm open it to hear what people are saying. On the Prince Kwabena Usu story. Yesterday, there was another video that I was supposed to post. But in the same meeting, we have to hold on to that. Mpese yebe madi waters ni bebre by trying to prove to everybody that yenim story no. Like said, there is the wisdom of having the story and the wisdom of presenting the story. So on Prince Kwabena Usu story, we don't want to complicate the deal as it has been complicated. Complicated. You better be complicated, but put yourself in a journalist shoes more. When a player tells you, say, me ko club we are, me no me are. Which story will you do? How will you caption the story? The player na catch the one. Good. And then there were other conversations behind the scenes. So let's put it there. Now is the will of the player against the will of the club. Player and man to you are kind of 2 months contract. No baby any area. Good. If baby any wants to work with him, he will go as a free agent at the end of the season. If Kotoko want to sign him this transfer window, they need to pay money to baby any Gold Stars. I want to say but boy any day, like he said on the Kotoko every send you on one kind on the Kotoko every. So let's listen to Gordon Ablodi. Let's listen to Ablodi. This video be a when you listen to Ablodi, A bright bisa abroad, they say Prince Kwabno who should be near free. Baby and Go Stars. Net team chichi more bloody. Assistant coach of Baby and Go Stars, the Mayan on the issue. Who are, you can make your own conclusion whether Silbert was lying, whether Silbert pray. Put yourself in my shoes. You speak to the assistant coach and you speak to the player. No meaning about this kind of information. What will you do? See the intia bloody. Now you buy at once.
Ben want say umbe lusu Prince Osu Kwabena. Oh, football, anything can happen. I want football, but I think say on no player no be decide who team for super player. Maybe I come one and also man. This say for so be jump. The opera also we man otimnya akoma pon fan ball. Going forward,
well, that was Gordon Ablodi. Or say team for super player no. E man nye the own person obey. And no, you will not be surprised when the player leaves the BN Go Stars because the player ne pay and as I said club no man. I won't say anything again on that particular transfer. You to answer no so. Emmanuel entry of Great Olympics, my catch or some cover from Great Olympics say the player will not join Kotoko. Omunjana this particular window. Ombetona my any club at the end of the season. Baby asked the sign about a can't show. That was so bad TV. Now, Ibrahim Moro. Moro, I could pay more on crime. See me, Ibrahim Moro, I could pay more Accra. Na dear woman ye, also know Tamale. We're free Tamale, Abe Kumase, Abe Chemu Concran. Na the obey you Kumase dear. Sene mekano Imoro utani ni di nkoma anani nkofo be Imoro di nkoma bi omo kan ye se wo de Kotoko de ono munya abotre nothing has changed your kan ye munya abotre but sometimes ope asama ka kire nyame na aka kire mfama the person or certain people will not give you the detailed information but some close friends can give it to you according to another player. I'm even disclosing my source here. According to another player, we see a Kaima Kotoko pen. Imoro yena down for power, and in this case, any Christopher Nete. Player at the moment only club about Kotoko, but only club say, but no Imoro close power. According to the boy, Accra na Imoro akwaku pieno, eyamanone ena oko. Tini. According to that ex-player of Asante Kotoko, or say Accra na Imoro free Tamale have same kwa Accra eyamanone ena oko. Good. There is also another man. Me boni dia Kotokochi tell me be anymore. Baba Sports Stadium. He is very close to most of the northern players. Aba Kotoko obe omo pa. According to that man, last night, and I'm in the Nkomo, or see Imoro Dieno, it is still in the pipeline. And Accra na Imoro Akon, and ya Dibia Ehu. I'm giving you these two news. But I can assure you, say by enumere I bet tenase, I was over TV. I will give you the right percentages regards to Imoro Ibrahim. But one thing is for sure, Imoro free Tamale about the same Accra. And there are two sides of the story. Accra no Okono is not coming back to Kumasi Utukwai, which is coming from a close friend of Imoro Ibrahim. Maybe Mamentwa other stories so. Well, Abdul Fattah Safiu Ababe Drew Ghana. Na Ghana na wabano. Midiama is also in the race for Abdul Fattah Safiu. Do you understand my earlier story when I was telling you, say, Midiama a striker? Abdul Fattah Safiu Midiama is also in the race. But we see Asante Kotoko for any of me didn't come on. And come on, you me didn't come up. Sikasem, the obeje. And in principle, on signing, these days I'll choose my words carefully. On signing, but in principle, verbal. Mama Kotoko thumbs up ɛwɔ nhyehyɛeɛ no ho ɔba abɛduru Ghana sɛnea ɛka kyerɛ m sɛ first week of January ɔba abɛduru Ghana no ɔba abɛduru ɛna wama ɛyɛ Kotoko ɔno mpanimfoɔ ahyia no wama mo thumbs up ɛwɔ deal no ho ɛne Abdul Fattah Safiu so deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ a mede ma wo so he is closer to Kotoko even though Midiama is also in the race Mamento so Emmanuel Avornyo Prince Kwabena Owusu story in the buy and most people were asking questions with regards to Emmanuel Avornyo. I can't tell them say Kotoko players or more penal. Prince Kwabena Owusu, Emmanuel Kwote, Emmanuel Avornyo, Emmanuel Entry, Imoro Ibrahim, Abdul Fattah with Safiu. Good. Entry the I can't tell. Mama Imoro update say wako pie Accra. Mama Safiu there. Good. Mama Prince Kwabena there. Emmanuel Kwote and now no pa no kase me no update. Nti me ma Emmanuel Avornyo e ho update. Emmanuel Avornyo as at Enanopa. The deal to Asante Kotoko is 90% off. I choose my percentage carefully and I choose my words carefully. Emmanuel Avornyo to Asante Kotoko 90% off. As at Enanopa 8/23. I'm here videoing. Now this is it. Emmanuel Avornyo enya deal from Romania. Ne nice kwan so a oko Romania. Akwanko si akan ede ama team bi o Romania. I don't know the team. But Bechem United ton Emmanuel Avornyo ede na ko Romania. Nti Bechem United aton ha fees konkoni. Oma ton Destiny Clan. And omo ton Emmanuel Avornyo ede na ko Romania. Outside deal, not Asante Kotoko, not hard to folk. It is obi catch or say yes, when Emmanuel Avornyo one crime potemu and Teresa or house. Deal no a different club. Now only a service as a Clinton duty available. Send Avornyo and ya Kotoko no say Debbie. Dio dunia Avornyo nyina na etu kwan na boom. This is my source from Bechem United and I no pay the omodi amame. Inti me metena me kan just Avornyo be medical so Kumase. And I mean me kan so abehye Kotoko secretariat and mpanimfo asensan contract e ma obesi akan ma Kotoko no. Let any dey koye. But within bare 4 days Romania dey no asoko. So go there dey afa ejem no call. Nti Bechem United set to lose Emmanuel Avornyo and Clinton Diodu to an unknown Romanian club. It's deal no 90% off. It's me now summary of Asante Kotoko transfers Prince Kwabena Owusu personal terms with Kotoko agreed. And he is still set to join Asante Kotoko. Imoro Ibrahim now is in Tamale and is heading towards a foreign club more than Asante Kotoko. The headlines ni Emmanuel Avornyo deal to Kotoko off as he is set to join a Romanian club. Same as Clinton Diodu. Good. Abdul Fattah Safiu agrees verbally with Asante Kotoko. Abdul Fattah Safiu agrees verbally with Asante Kotoko. Good. Gordon Ablode. That's what they are to say. You can't force a player to stay where he's not willing to stay. The will of the player must always be done by the club. As I'm taking a cocoa break, it says I'm not saying you benya training news bia and any of the training news ba or the training news ba. It says baby no air transfers. Omo mo call and your mom ba e ho komo and the Julius Ofori Ziggy I started running at the Asante Kotoko. Oba and about 2 games. I started running at the Asante Kotoko. Emmanuel Entry, according to Great Olympics, is not for sale. And no air no pay the ye boan where the sumo e was say over TV. Nyame enka mu nyina ho. Be akamu bia no yes here bi ma ɛbɛsan de abrɛ mo